Hey guys, it's just past the 4th of July and I figured I'd do a quick video of how to get a flag onto your Hummer, or at least how I do it, Hummer H3. And I've seen a lot of guys on the internet going to their spare tire mounts back here and drilling holes back here and stuff, which is just unnecessary. Get a Walmart or your local store and get you an American made flag and a wooden pole. And if you have these style rims, which most Hummers do, unless they're aftermarket, just run yourself a couple zip ties, one on this side to stable it, then one on the bottom, then put you a couple more so it doesn't break off under wind. That thing's not going nowhere. I drove all 4th of July weekend with this on there, had no problems. Just wanted to do this little short video because I didn't see an easy solution on the internet. Later.